Hey, this is Ruby M251. Yeah, I would like to get sponsored, and like you were saying, not because of like you can tell people, oh, I'm sponsored and whatever. But I just enjoy fingerboarding, so does my friend, and we just have a fun time with it. And we would just try and get sponsored, and think it'd be cool. So, and we've helped out the company, if anything, and we're using a tech deck right now because our fingerboard snapped. Ironically, we were grinding on this very rail. Where'd you put the rail? Oh, here it is. This rail, and they both snapped somehow on the board slide, and twice in a row. So yeah, so we just like to get sponsored and have fun. Right now it's gonna be me and it'll be my friend. This is just a homemade thing, and I made two holes right there, right there, and there, and that's where I put this. So some tricks. It'll be a quick video. She railed it. Far side. Far side again, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 3 in a row. That was a nice pick up. Alright, I'm gonna start doing some more tricks that are impossible. Oh god. Impossible. I can't. I'm so used to fingerboards, I can't use a tech deck. Alright, now I'm gonna use the rail. I need to be quick about this because my videos are short for some reason. Yo, you bent the thing when you put it in that one.
Technical difficulties.
Did I rail doesn't go in now? Alright, shut up. Okay. No, it didn't.
There you go.
Alright, I'm just gonna move. That video has to be quick.
Oops. There we go.
Now it'll be handed over to my friend, and good luck, and hopefully sponsors. And my video, it's short, so you might not be able to see him, so I might send you 2 videos of him.
2 videos would make some awesome.
No. And he loves skateboarding just like I do, so. Nice 2 rail. Oh, cleanly. And by the way, I can make some rails. I'm pretty good at that. So.
How will you ship them?
I'm not shipping them. Fucking, I bent my fucking rail. Douchebag.
Oops, sorry.
You're a douchebag in my ass.
It fits.
No, it doesn't.
Alright, and that's our video.
Thank you. Please sponsor.